I get what you're saying, but I don't think Discord like. You also don't know when I'm not really talking in my mic. Half the time I'm in my fucking bed. What? That's not my problem then. This doesn't happen on YouTube. It's just you. It's literally just you. I've tested my mic many times. Nah. About to get stopped out. That's what's about to happen. 3826. What the fuck is that? 1 hour was this? 8 a.m. 5 a.m. We're still in it to win it. We went from IRL to. Fuck, I was checking that. To fuck, it looks like it wants to actually go all the way up there then. IRL to ERL, which would be up here. So I don't know. I need this low to be swept up for me to get into buys. Fuck, bro. I'm in sells now. Doesn't look too good. Unless we can sweep this high here on the 15-minute, that would be good. Then I'll just re-enter again for a smaller scalp move, 1 to 4. But maybe we just hold on to this and we don't get stopped out. Oh, please. So close though. There's something about girl. Oh yeah, we lost. That just makes my head wanna twirl. I'm gonna redo my chart. Clear that chart. It's getting kind of crazy. We have an order block up here. Then we have another order block right here. And the FEG right here. And then potentially another FEG here. 11 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. So another FEG potentially here. And then we just wait. What's saying? And I hate when people message when I'm literally in a live. Do not message me. You had all the fucking time to message me before I got onto a live. Don't expect a response. Anyways, come into the FEG. Low gets swept. That's crazy because it's all the way up here. Nah, we wouldn't even want that. We're not gonna get involved because that shit's all the way up here. For it to actually close and confirm it's going up, it would already be at the end. That's cool. I mean, we also got this over here though. But that was already wait. Which move did we try to get on Nas again? I fucking lost it. Was it this one? Oh, yeah, it was this one. It almost got to TP. What about this one? I mean, not the worst. Need more patience. 15 minute isn't gonna show me much. Maybe the 5 minute can refine it. 1 minute can refine it. I'm gonna go for this. That I was moving so crazy right now down there. Fuck, my headset died. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna enter buys here actually on Nas. I'm doing it right now actually. 24, 5, 30, 81. And then appears TP1, right? Not one, but two. Oh, getting stopped out. Like what? Immediately? Yeah. Hold on, I gotta charge my headset. You said we have news soon. Hold on, let me check that up. Didn't we already have news? News and news on news. Damn, there's hella news today. What the hell? There's one red folder here. 10. Jolt's job openings. Damn, this shit's just dropping like it's hot, bro. Like a nuke. Like a nuke. I think I'm too low on the time on the. I didn't turn my headset back on. Alright, yeah. That's cooked. Is my headset on now? So 4 hour. So see what we did wrong there? We didn't wait for actual. So I was looking at this range, and then when you try to refine it, it's like what I tried to do because this range, this candle down here, closed all the way up here. So for us to wait for a confirmation, we have to wait for it to come all the way back up here, which is fine, but it's at the end of the range, so it would be pointless. So I tried to go down to an even lower time frame and got cooked. No bueno. Wait for confirmation, senor. So what we have here, we're still inside IRL. Instead, URL's up here. I have to wait for a confirmation above this. Fine. Definitely fine, especially with Nas. Not used to Nas, but I'm seeing that it looks like this most of the time. Crazy move, even on the lower time frame. So, an alert there, before there, attention to it more once it actually gets there, if it gets there. I'm not looking for anything unless we get a close above there. Not selling, not doing anything until we get there. Also have this low. It's the same thing. That candle up. So essentially the same thing. Waiting for closure above there or there. Preferably the second one. And then go for the buys. So with that, gold, 4 hour, about to close in 2 minutes though. 1 hour, I'd be waiting for something like this. The fuck kind of fucking edit is that? Anyway, save, down, above there. Wishing they wishing on me. Still up 8,000. Not really in a rush to get a trade or anything. Not in a rush to get a trade or anything. I am on the live, so let's wait and see. We get a confirmation above here. We'll take buys on Nas 100, and if we get a confirmation above there, we'll buy Nas. If we get a confirmation below here, so go. Okay, wait. What did the 4 hour look like when it closed? Okay, bet 1 hour. Never mind. I don't like that. Delete, 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 delete. Alerts. All of that deleted. Daily did a nice sweep. No key level to work with. We can sweep this high into this FEG. I'll take it. Or even better, could probably sweep it, go into this order block, even better. But nothing. Damn, last night was really good. Now that I think about it, last night was really good. The markets aren't gonna always be so nice. Not so nice to us all the time. This low gets smooth. That's the high. Hmm. No, it should be affecting it right now. Why? What happened? Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So gold should be dropping, which I'm expecting actually for it to drop. Just I want it to come up here, take out this high, then I can sell. And then for Nas, I'm waiting for it to come up here and then buy. I can get a if I get a confirmation on the lower time frame, I'll buy this up. So I have my alert set on Nas, and there's nothing set. No alert set on gold because there's nothing yet. I mean, unless you want to trade this like 15-minute. I do want to scalp this. I do want to scalp this, especially because of news. Especially because the way news came out. Yeah, 15-minute high and low, 1 minute displacement down to here. Keep buzzing noise, constant, constant, constant. Shut the fuck up. No, stupid related. Whatever the fuck's on my phone right now. Oh fuck! I almost fucked up. That was so close. Yeah, bro. Literally. Whoa, I didn't even just I did forgot to put the lot size. All right, shut up. I'm deleting Nas by the way from my chart again. I don't need that shit. I'm only trading gold. Yeah, we made money on Nas in the morning, but bro, I could care less. It's messing with my lot sizes when I'm fucking trying to punch them in on my shit here. I only like one fucking pair. That's it. One pair gold. That's it. Bouncing back and forth between lot sizes. Fuck that. And what the hell is going on? Hold on. What the high? Level. The fuck? He's just pushing up. He just wants to keep pushing up, I guess. Let's not try to sell this. Let's just wait for clean sells on the 4 hour. Because we have this whole this FEG that we have to fill, and maybe this order block it comes into. I do want to try one little setup on here though. Yeah, no. Delete, delete, delete. I'm only focusing on gold, bro. Fuck all the other shit. You got me fucked up. You got me fucked up, okay? I'm gonna lie, I made money on Euro USD and on Nas. First time I traded them in so long. But only because you asked me to look at them. Only reason why I touched it. I'm not fucking doing that, bro. Don't ask me about anything else except for gold. Respectfully. Once you eliminate all these pairs from your watch list, you'll become a way more profitable trader. It's crazy when you start multitasking pairs, bro. Just focus on one. Best advice I can give you. Focus on one. Focus on one. Focus on one. Focus on one. Last night was actually really good. What the fuck? I thought that was like a bro, back to back to back. Ugh. There's no setup for buys. No, bro. No, bro. Where's the 4 hour range though? Oh, and on the next candle over, you actually wicked. Oh, it did. On your chart, it did, but not on mine. I have no wick over there. There's no there's no wick on this market, on this fusion market chart. It doesn't exist. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Fusion markets has been better, been good. I used to use Owenda, but then I was using Owenda, and my boy was using Fusion. He would always see the wicks. I wouldn't see it on Owenda. So I'm not gonna let one time. For the most part, Fusion markets is the one that you end up seeing all the shit. It's just the one time that it has. That's crazy. Bro. I'm wondering how the fuck. Why did you see? How did you see that? Well, you see it, you fucking you're meant. That's so weird. That's so sketchy, bro. Like, how come on one chart there's a wick? Yeah, definitely. I would have been in that. That's free. Yeah, you don't need to go for crazy ones. Damn, bro. 'Cause, like that's what I was anticipating. Remember, I told you that big ass candle that we get down if we can sweep the low. That'd be great. Fam, I didn't sweep the low. Fuck, you did. Fuck, bro. So gay. Because that's literally what I wanted. Damn, that's a crazy move right there. You see that green? So apparently we got a wick there. On another chart. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna pull up another chart now so I can show people. I forgot I'm actually on live. So let me just pull up like another gold chart. You said it was a Wanda. Okay. So we're gonna go to Awanda, and then you see this wick right here. That is exactly what I would have loved to be involved in. Cup, I'm sharing my screen. You know that, right? So when I'm sharing my screen, how is it that you're seeing something, you're telling me about it, but you're not telling me that it's not on my chart, bro? There's a whole nother diff. Like, there's a whole nother, like, fuck, bro. What do you mean you didn't notice? It's right there. It's very easy to notice. There's no wick. And then there's a fucking huge ass wick right there that you could have told me about for 4 hours now. Since 5 a.m. we had that wick. What are we doing? No, I don't look at your fucking chart. Why do I need to look at your chart? It's okay, bro. That's stupid. That doesn't make sense. I shouldn't do that, but whatever. What did he? I'm just glad to see that it still works. Like that's fucking mint right there. Boom, close, tagged in. Yeah, bro, free, free, literally free. You should have took it. The fuck is wrong with you? Should have got in it. Should have got in, bro. That was literally free. If I saw that, I would have fucking been in there, bro, and I would have told you I'm in there. I don't know. I might switch my chart again. I'm gonna do some backtesting, see which one I like the most. Because I was using Oanda for a long time. That was my go-to chart. And this motherfucker put me on Fusion. Because one day the same thing happened, like what happened now. Like exactly what happened now happened to me, except he was on Fusion. So I switched to Fusion. So stupid, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna just keep a look at on that. Keep a lookout on that, or maybe like use multiple charts. Use Fusion and Oanda and just cross check both of them. Huh? Use both? That's wild, bro. That's so fucked. They literally just stole from me. Like, this is my shit right here. This is literally my fucking bread and butter. Greens, are you there? Like, why? Why is it not there, bro? Why is it not there? It doesn't even exist. I'm not tripping, right? You don't see it? There's no wick. Fuck, bro. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Huh? That's one other thing. That's not what we were talking about. What? Oh, you see? It's like it is, fam. How am I supposed to know then? Fuck you. Fuck you, Fusion. I'm still happy though, because that shit. Ugh, 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 ugh. What? Yeah, Fusion doesn't even have the wick, dog. What, Fusion? On the 1 hour, it does. No, it's not even on the 1 hour though. Yeah, but it doesn't show on the 1 hour either. Oh, like it shows that it went down there. Like if you were to put a line, you don't know, go to Fusion and actually mark up the 4 hour and then go to the 1 hour. No, I want to see. I see. I want to see. I see what you're saying because I was wondering that. I was wondering if I just dropped down if it would actually show the manipulation, even though it didn't fucking show it. Yeah, this is gonna be trippy. I've seen some trippy stuff on Fusion, bro. No, it didn't show it. It didn't show it at all. Yo, sometimes there was a time where it would like, yo, I can't even explain this. Like 1 second, it was showing me the price was here. Like it was like a sweep or something happened, and then like I came back 15 minutes later, and the sweep like disappeared. I swear to God. Like there was a wick that just completely vanished from the chart. I was like, what the fuck? And then I checked again and it came back. Maybe I just need to get off. I don't know. It's bad to see it. It's bad to see it. I'm still up 8 bands, bro, but I lost. I was up 13, so I just lost. Lost about 5. No, 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 no. I lied. I lied. I was. I was up like. I was up like 12. I don't even know anymore. All I know is I just lost 1, 2, 3, 3.78, 3.8, about 3.8. I lost 3.8. All because I didn't even see that way. Fam, I lost 3.8 for no reason too because I was trying to sell. I was trying to sell gold, but I didn't see that. Oh, bro. This is when they say that futures is better. This is what they mean. One of those examples. You know what I mean? I taught you the strategy at the end of the day. If you see something, you can say it. No, I don't like ideas when I'm in the middle of a fucking game. And I don't like ideas. Shut up. Stop talking. No, 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 no. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. And I don't like ideas that have to do with other pairs. I do not trade any other pair. Why do you have 15 pairs on your chart right now? You're insane. I do not trade any other pair. So if you're asking me about NAS or USD, I'm probably going to say shut the fuck up. I don't care. I'm going to say that because I don't care and I don't want to know. I don't want to know and I don't want to find out. You have 15 fucking pairs on your chart. So don't say that I would have said that. If it's gold, bro, anything to do with gold, I'm all fucking ears all day long, bro. It's when you start asking me about fucking pairs I don't give a fuck about. I don't care to check. I don't care to fucking corrupt my mind with checking and seeing some other type of price action. I want to be so good at one pair that that's like I can fucking go to sleep and I know exactly what it was doing. I shouldn't have to pick up the chart and be fucking lost. Don't say that shit, bro. Don't say, oh, I probably would have shut it. No, don't fucking tell me about any other chart. Any other chart. Get it fucking twisted. You really don't give a fuck, bro. I really don't care. No, you didn't. Either way, it's definitely going up there, bro. It's probably gonna make another fucking all time high. It's been making all time highs over and over and over and over again. Shit was so easy. That was free as fuck. That would have been another 5 bands right there. Good morning. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. How you been? You've been losing. You sound like that. Can't let these losses bother you. I just lost 3.5. I was up like 13 last night. I'm still up 8. Chase what? Gold that went up? Don't chase it. If you missed it, you missed it. I don't chase anything. I missed it and I shouldn't have even missed it. Like it just didn't show me, right? Like my chart wasn't even showing me what I needed to see. Oh, and you got out. I'm gonna do a side by side picture of this shit, dog. So there's this one. Now I hear you though. On the 5 minute chart for what gold? What are you looking for? Sorry, what? Nah, I wouldn't bother. I mean, like, if we sweep this high here, if that's what you're saying, I can look at the 1 hour. If we sweep this high, I'll mark it in yellow. Then yeah, I mean, we have 30 minutes left on this, 33 minutes left on this 1 hour. But if this becomes a candle sweep, I'll know because I'll be looking at the 5 minute. I'd want this low to get displaced. So I'll make that orange. If we get a displacement here, then I'll be entering sells. Yes. Below 38.43. Yes. From the 1 hour range, 5 minute, first candle to come out of there. I'm gonna enter sells. If we get a confirmation below here, displacing lower, I will sell. Correct. Yeah, we're in an order block here as well on the 1 hour though. So we're inside of an order block already. We're inside of an order block and we are inside of a FVG. So now I would just be waiting for it to actually come down and displace lower before I get into a sell. They're both order blocks. They're all order. There's an order block here. You can mark it like this. That's just the way I mark it. Like I have a move up and then a move down. We have a downward close, right? After this upwards close. So there's an order block here, but then there's also an order block here, and then there's an order block here. There's three. But you could just ultimately mark all of them all at once. Like this. It's all just one big fat zone. With an FVG just there as well. So this is actually perfect. Thank you for pointing that out. I wouldn't have seen that if you didn't say anything. Because now I'm literally going to be waiting for a displacement right here. And where would I be taking it to? Let's see. I might take it down to the 1 hour low right here. But not all the way. I mean, you could go all the way, but I just want this candle range. But definitely, yeah, it could come down here. Or at least 50% I'm closing partials and moving my stop loss, but my best TP2 would be the end of this candle's range. So where the dotted line is. So we close. What also helps me understand this better too is that we actually were able to close past this range at one point. So we broke structure below this range, then came back up. If we retest it and respect it, like you were just talking about, I would definitely be going for sells happily. 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 Thank you for pointing that out. It is frustrating. It's gonna be frustrating. You just gotta stop yourself from doing the things you know you shouldn't after that. After that feeling, what happens after that? That's all that matters, is how you treat it. Deadass start singing. Anyways, I'll be back. Yeah. Yeah, the 50 there was a 50% of that 4-hour candle. So even if you didn't get out, you close partials and move your stop loss to break even. And then once you get stopped out at break even, you can say that the setup is done. Or you can even look for something else on the way down. Once you start seeing confirmations for sells, close your buys. That's when you know you're a good trader. That's when you know you've made it. When you're able to be like, oh, I'm in a buy, but I'm seeing sells now. So it's like the same thing on futures, right? What happens on futures? If you're in a buy on futures, but then you sell, that's the only way you can close your position. So it's like the same thing, kind of. The way I like to think about it. If you're able to start seeing those sell signals, why hold the buy? Unless it's like you're holding a buy for longer term, and you're just trying to get a quick sell scalp. But yeah, I'm waiting for a displacement on the 5 minute. There's already a change in structure on the 1 minute. 1 minute already had a change of character, yes, going down. We broke structure to the upside. White line, I'll just do a white line. So we broke structure to the upside. The lowest point that caused that, right, was down here, which now got broken. So we changed character. It's a market structure shift on the 1 minute. So technically you could enter here. I'm just gonna wait for my 5 minute confirmation though. The 1 minute. Okay, anyway, I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't know what you mean by the 1 minute being at the 50%. The 50% of the 4-hour candle? Hold on. Coming down here, 14 seconds. Coming down strong, too. Might even just close right at the 15. Wait. No. Wait. Still pushing. Still down here. I don't know why I came up here. Okay, never mind. Never mind. We closed up here. So I'm just still waiting for a 5 minute close. Huh? It changed character. We got a market structure shift. It would take a lot to come up here and break this high now. If it does, cool. But oh, this is nice. Confirmation in the 5 minute, and I'll be set. I'll be set to take a good trade that I don't, that I'm okay with taking. That's all it comes down to. You shouldn't be worried about winning or losing. Just if you lose, at least know that you did your best. You're gonna lose. Daily max. Yeah, that's good. I'm at actually at a bad point right now. I have no limit right now. I made stupid bets. That's I'm up so much I can fucking risk like fucking eight. I can risk like 7K right now if I really want. I'm not. I'm only doing one, but I'm sticking to my same risk. But it's like at this point, I actually really should be done. I traded Asia session. I been took like 2 losses a long time ago. I'm still up. I took those 2 losses after I won like 4 trades. continuing to go up. I mean, it still has a lot of potential to go up. Bye bye, hard deep. Give me a second. I'm trying to message someone. Hard deep. Can't try to predict. Don't predict. We're just gonna wait. We just sit. We just sit and we wait. I have my levels marked out. I know what I want. I want this to close 5-minute candle underneath here. Yeah. We're still in the order block. Slow down. Just slow down. We're in an order block. Right? We're even in a 4-hour order block, if you want to call it. So even higher time frame key level. Bearish key level. Okay, so we're in bearish key level territory. Right now, you shouldn't be doing anything but waiting for confirmation for sells. If you're in a buy already from down here, cool. Partials taken, stop loss to break even. The rest is kind of just like a blessing at that point. It can go all the way to the top of this range. It can, but it's not like a high probability. You want to say the high probability was 50%. Some people even, I know they use the strategy I use and they just take everything off. Like that's their only TP is 50%. Right? For me, it's kind of like I want to go for a little bit extra if there is going to be some, because sometimes it does go, especially because we're bullish. I'm not saying it can't go up here. I just want it to come down because then that would give me a move. And then on the 15-minute as well, on top of this, we have the 15-minute range as well. The 15-minute range, we swept and closed inside of the range. So if you go down to the 1 minute, honestly, there's entries here already. Really. But I'm going to still wait for my 5-minute confirmation. I can't even hear myself think because this guy's always playing some shit. And you ask why I don't watch it. So the high of the 15-minute range and the low of the 15-minute range. You see my screen? And then we come out of the range up here. So once we closed here, that's where I would have been looking for my entry. We'd be in drawdown right now. I don't trade the 15-minute though, so I am going to sit on my hands and wait for this higher time frame confirmation. 15-minute, it can work out well, but you have to keep in mind that we have this range to fill up here still. So just being extra patient is very key right now. What are you talking about right now? Wait, no, I said 5 minute. Why do we keep saying 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute? I'm looking for the 5 minute to close. Fuck the 1 minute. I don't even know why I'm on the 1 minute right now. I'm only on the 1 minute because of the 15-minute range. I really want the 5 minute to close. Done. End of story. No, the range was 1 hour. No, I want it to close below 38.42.83. And then we'll sell. Not really. You're on futures. It's right there. 38. You're probably at right now. Your price right now, I have 38.49. You're probably at 38.59. You're at 38.59, right? That's the price right now of gold. I'm 38. Yo, what the hell? You're like $20 more. $30 more. No, I know you're on futures. I just didn't know it was like $30 more. I thought it was only like 10. Anyways, point is, it's not that far down. 38.42 is not that far down. It's just that our prices are different. It's only like $5 away. $6 away. Gold is just the best pair to trade. And a lot of people hate it, but I don't care. It makes me money. It made me 8K last night. Yeah. Yeah, facts. Nice. I don't talk to Romel no more. I have him added though. We all do our own shit. I have my own thoughts about everybody. I see through people. I'll just say that much. When you'll really be tested when you're not doing okay. So try being around Romel when he's not okay. Then you'll tell me. Because that nigga will fucking spaz out on you. And it's like, what the fuck did I do to you? I do too, but it doesn't make it okay. What the fuck? Thinks he's the best trader in the fucking world. No, like you came at me one time, we were just playing chart champs, and this nigga was getting really aggressive. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. Yeah, I just listened to you rant. We're still cool. I just keep my distance from people. There's no right or wrong way to do things when it comes to trading. End of story. So I don't put myself in rooms where they're gonna tell me, "Oh, that's wrong." When I just like I've been making so much fucking money using what I fucking know. I stopped listening to what people say. I don't give a fuck what you think. Oh, you're emotionally trading because you're entering again after you got stopped out. No, I am trading with my fucking edge because with my edge, I understand back to back to back the amount of times that I've gotten stopped out and I immediately enter right where I get stopped out. I am okay to do that based off of my edge, not off of emotion. It's not coming from emotion. It's based off of my edge, knowing, okay, this is my last trade for the day. Like, never tell someone how to do something in trading. Where the fuck did that alert come from? Oh, Nas. I don't even care about Nas anymore. God. Yeah. I think I have enough info though. If it's helping you learn, that's all that matters. It's helping you grow. This is the patience part. This is the best part. Huh? This is the part where I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm not stressed. I have my shit marked out. Why? I don't care. We speaking? Oh hell no! Close your trades, nigga. Close, close everything. No, you didn't. You say a lot of shit, bro. That's why you're the type of person that like I can't. I don't listen to you because half the time you're not fucking saying anything I should listen to. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I know you do. I'm not saying you don't. You're a very, very fucking fast learner. You literally learned this shit last night and already fucking hit a couple trades. I'm not saying you. I'm not testing your intelligence, but it's just like fuck. Like when do I listen to Cup? What are you saying, Green? Patience. I hate the patience part. I'm still confused. When you say 50%, the 50% of what? The 15-minute what? Fuck. Oh my god. Now we're on 5 minute. 5 minute what? 5 minute what though? Like of just like a whole thing? Like uh the whole move from the top to the bottom. Got you. I mean, it's way above 50, but yeah. No, we're in premium. Yes, that's what premium is. We're in premium. Discount is down here. We came up to premium. We're way above the 50. We're way above the 50 of the 4 hour. Like I just shouldn't have to mark it out, but I will. We're way above the 50. We're in premium of the 4 hour candle. We're in premium of the 15-minute range, which is just probably just that 4 hour candle. Okay. I mean, it made structure, but is it gonna hold it? No, doesn't look like it. Maybe. But just stop looking at the 1 minute so much. You're gonna tweak yourself out. Just wait for your confirmation. The only time you should be looking at the 1 minute is if you're waiting for it to close where you need it to close. Then you're just gonna stress yourself out. I'm telling you from experience. Don't like yeah, I could mark this out and be like, oh yay, it's inside there, but like ultimately I don't care what it does up here. I want it to come down here. I'm only involved when my alert goes off. You should only be involved when your alert goes off. You're just gonna stress yourself out. I still think it's coming all the way up here, bro. Watch Donald Trump speak though, and it just drops. I miss clean ass buys because my chart wasn't fucking right. I would have been in gold and it looks like. But fusion markets, because fusion markets don't got me right. Sorry. I'd rather be asleep than literally awake looking at the chart, right? Picture this, okay? Like you're saying you're upset, but imagine what I'm fucking going through. I literally was at the chart, but not seeing this shit. And the cup's like, yo, look, that doesn't exist on my shit. I'm not gonna lie, I have been noticing fusion markets. I'm gonna tell Psycho. He's the one that told me to, but I noticed like I was using a Wanda and I was missing moves because there was no wicks where I needed them, but yet the wicks were showing up on other charts. Okay, I should just trade off the chart on fucking Metatrader. Can't go wrong, right? Maybe that's yeah. What? Not really. How is he? No, I know he's hangs out in Prado's chat. Like I have access to all these people. I can join these servers and talk to them. I just stay away. It's like there's an ego that comes in and thinks that they know better. They try to like influence you to stop doing what you're doing. Or like, hey, look at this chart. That's why I get so mad, bro. I don't care anymore. No. I would love to help you analyze a chart, but if you need help analyzing a chart, just make sure it's gold, please. Do not want to look at anything else. Nothing else. I'm not near my mic. I'm far. I'm across the room. For what? For what? I am now. No, like I don't mind looking at other charts, but then I get too involved. Like, yeah, I might have won on that as soon as I looked at it. Yeah, I might have won on Euro USD as soon as I looked at it. But now it's like I'm bouncing between all these fucking charts, and it's confusing me. When like I want to be able to look at a chart, and I already have my setup, and I like even when I'm not looking at it, I already know what I'm waiting for. It's not like when an alert goes off, I start tweaking out. I don't want to trade multiple pairs. There's no need to trade multiple pairs. You need one trade a day. Literally. You don't need multiple. Maximum two pairs. I don't even trade like I don't like trading Nas and gold anymore. No, it's like sometimes it will tweak you out too because you're thinking like sometimes how to explain it. Sometimes they correlate and sometimes they don't, so it can tweak you out. So what I like to do is I trade like GBP USD. even then, I only trade gold, and I only go to GBP USD when gold's like breaking all-time highs. So once we break all-time highs again, really nothing for me to look for except for buys. So I have to be more patient waiting for the buys. So in the meantime, I go to like where you can do the same in Nas. I don't like how Nas freaks me out sometimes. Because then I'll look at both of them and think that they're supposed to correlate. That's not no rewiring anything. It should only be in one position on one pair at a time. It's like think about it. You could win on one and then lose so bad on the other. You just took away all the gains you just made. It makes no sense. So like even if you trade multiple pairs, it's like okay, just trade gold for this week and then trade another pair for that week, the next week, or like for this day and then the next day this pair. It's not like you shouldn't really be in more than one pair at a time. Very unnecessary. I don't know why people do it. But to each their own. Everyone has their own thoughts. Especially because I'm taking partials at halfway a lot of the times and then moving my stop loss to break even. Like that partial, that move, that's my money for the day can be easily taken away from losing the other fucking thing. Good. Yeah, I'm here. I'm talking. I'm trying to talk to one of my students. He's asking me. He said, "Where should I send you fees for class? We will do one class a week, bro. You already paid for VIP. This guy wants to send me. This guy wants to send me more money. Chill, bro. You don't need to send me anything. Why do, why do people gotta lie to people? Look like people you know. Why? There's a girl. Oh yeah, I love it. I love to see it. I need that confirmation. Wait, kind of. I don't like this anymore though. I don't really like that. No, I just don't like the. I don't like the 1 minute, the 1 hour anymore. The 1 hour I already kind of like. The 1 hour already closed up here. The 1 hour closed up here, so now I don't really fuck with it. I might just use the 15 minute range that we swept. We actually swept it and closed inside, so I'll just aim for that, like this. And I need a 1 minute displacement. We already did get. I don't even know what to do right now. Ugh. If you don't know what to do, then just step away. Just step the fuck away. Like this just should be so obvious. Right now, it's not obvious. This is probably gonna go up. I'm staying out of this. Yeah, that was the first time I actually almost yacked looking at a chart. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm not even. I'm gonna look at Cup's chart. I'm on vacation now. I'm gonna keep my 8 bands for the day. Thank you very much. Pardon me. Hell no. Yeah, it was a break of structure for this range. This range broke structure here, so it's not like I don't even know. There's a lot of confirmation here for buyers to come in, basically, if you want to think about it like that. I mean, we did come into an FEG and respect it, so I don't know. I mean, I could still take it. I could still take it. It's just not as pretty. Put it that way. I don't really. I can still take it if a close run here happens. Sorry, yeah, go ahead. Nah, I just don't like how it looks because it's not a wick. Yeah, exactly. And on the 5 minute, sorry, and on the 5 minute, there's a break of structure here going up. So we have a higher high that just got made. 1 minute also broke a break of structure. So we changed character, then we changed character again. Yeah, basically, just doesn't know what it wants to do right now. We're just going sideways, but like it still come down here and really drop, bro. I've seen it happen. But I just don't want to touch it. Why'd you make that sound like some like heavy wisdom? It wasn't that serious. Y'all tripping. I mean, 50 minute does look nice, like I was saying. That's the only thing that looks nice for cells. So, ooh, I heard it. That shit loud. Turn it down. Don't need to be that loud. Yeah, not for cells. Oh, I thought my phone was dead. I was about to say I can't place this trade right now. Oh hell. Maybe it's meant to be. All right, I'm in cells, boys. 38.50.05. I know I contradicted myself at first, but I'm really seeing this fucking pressure, and it moved with such speed and aggression that I can't resist. Yeah, you low key did, but just close your buys then. Oh wait, or pretend like you were in a buy and you closed it. Okay. Then that's even better. All right, fudge, bro. What's this like? 50% of the range is right here. My alert right here. Oh, it's already coming to it. We're about to close partials and set break even right about. Okay, okay. Is it gonna freaking hit the 50%, or do I just have to like call it now? Calling it. I'm closing my partials and moving my stop loss now to break even. You think so? All right. Sometimes I just gotta like assume it like low key touched it because look how close it got. I didn't make too much off of that move. I don't mean to sound like a dickhead. It is a lot. It's a decent amount, but it's like fuck. I've been making so much. I just lost like 3.5, right, and I'm still up 8. But after a 3.5 loss with like 4 losing streak, it was yeah no sorry 4 loss streak. Making $200 isn't that crazy after I just lost. But I mean, it is $200. $200 is $200. No, it's a lot of money. It is. Yeah, that's why I had to stop myself because I was gonna say like I didn't make too much, but like there's context to that, like in the sense that like after the losses I just took and how much I made already last night, like it's like my expectations. It's like when I win a trade, I'm supposed to make like 4K. Like I entered this trade kind of late. I didn't have the time to calculate my lots, and so I only took 200 when it really should have been $1,000 risk. So I could have been up easily, like, oh, what's up? Wait, guys. Okay, look. Technically, you can actually still enter this cell because we closed here and got our confirmation, but this is a limit order that you should have been setting. Yeah, why do I have all of these freaking projections? Yeah. So there's a limit order here. I'm gonna put the 1 to 4. Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute. let's attack this again, but properly. That was a little bit sloppy. Oh my god, it's going already. Chill, bro. I'm just trying to enter my lots. Damn. 3848. Bro, this thing needs to chill out right now. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. It low-key left me, but like I'm still in. Fuck it. 3848. I'm moving a little slow right now. Or you got in 2 cup? Don't leave me. Oh. I got in. Okay, partials again. Let's take partials again. Now we're talking. Now we're fucking talking money. Not to like sound like not to say like 200 isn't a lot, but I rather just 400. That okay. Now we're talking 400. I now move stop loss to break even again. I'm sorry. No, I'm not laughing at you. It's just your reaction. Chill. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just your reaction is priceless. So nah, like there's always another move. As long as you're not full moving in, like even me, I'm not too proud of it, but it's just because it's on the 1 minute. It moves so fast. Like I would have wanted to get in up here, obviously, right where my projection is, but I fucking only got in like somewhere down here. Where was it? 3839. I got in like here. Yeah, we're at 50%. I already put my stop loss to break even. It's a risk-free runner now. So my TP is $1,500. I already secured 500. 100 from the first position. That was kind of like a sloppy entry. And then it finally came to the limit order. If I was actually paying attention, I'm also not used to being in calls when I trade, bro. I need to get more used to it. I'm getting distracted. I'm getting distracted though. Yeah, it's helpful. It's good, but like when I'm locked in by myself, trust me, I just see it all, and I don't really miss anything. If I do miss something, it happens, but not like that. Like I would have easily put my limit. You're right. There's the pros and cons. Like there's definitely calling stuff up that I can like, you know. But I'm also not seeing it because I'm not paying attention. I'm talking, you know. It's like hand in hand. At the very least, you guys are calling shit out. It'd be bad if we were just talking and you guys weren't. Okay. I'm still making money. Sloppy, sloppy. Oh, we were waiting for this. My lie, I didn't like it though. I don't like how it was looking over here on the 1 hour. Like, I didn't like that it closed up here. But sometimes it is what it is. It was like, wait, actually, let me look at the other chart. I feel like that actually did sweep on another. I know it didn't. Maybe I just got lucky. I didn't really follow my rules. I'm not gonna lie, I give that like a that was like a B plus. That was bad. Yeah, it worked. It met some of the it met most of the criteria. But I just don't like that it wasn't actually a wick. Physically a wick. But if you think about it, I mean, way I enter, I'm just looking like inside of the wick for that structure. So if it closes up outside of the range, it's not really that big of a deal. Once you do that, you'll be unlocking like a whole new level. I think I'm like the final key. Not me, but like the thing that I have learned called CRT. It's all over the internet. But like you can learn from them, and you might understand it or whatever. But the way I've pieced it together, you gotta really get with the ranges. You have a lot of knowledge now already to the point where if you learn this, you'll be like, whoa, I see it. When the time is right, you will. Like slowly, you will. Cup could even teach you. I already know. Not all of it. You know how to suck dick. I said you know CRT. I will never claim something that's not mine, bro. I could easily repackage this and call it mine and sell it for like thousands. But I don't need people's money. I make my own money. Only reason why I even charge 25 for mentorship is just because it's like if you don't pay for it, you're not even gonna fucking value it. And it makes me feel better knowing that you're actually paying for it, right? So $25, 1 hour phone call, and plus I'm giving you a good deal, $25 for the whole month. For the whole month, you get one call with me every single week. $25. Like that's nothing. Any extra call is $25 for that call, which is just $25 for the hour. So I'm just getting paid for my time. 25 an hour. Like it's not. That's all it is. It's not about trying to fill my pockets. It's just like if I'm gonna make time, that's it. That's the only transaction that we're making. I'm giving you my time and you're paying me. Unless you know me, like I'll teach people that I know already. Yeah, bro. Yeah, repackaging. There's a lot of info online. You don't need to come to people like CRT. But a lot of the times, people like I tell them about CRT, they go look at the videos, but they still want to come to me. Why is that? Because they have access to me. They can actually ask me questions, and they see me doing it, right? So it's like way better than anything you can learn online. Talk to the person. Like imagine you could just talk to Sai anytime. No, I mean like anytime you want. Like right in front of him. Like nigga can literally put his crusty ass fingernail on the screen. He has ADHD. I already made it. What am I talking about? Yo, what? 1,000. 10%. 5 to 10% risk. I used to do 500 and like I would like triple it. Take like 500 to 2K in a week and then blow it. I wasn't using like I didn't realize my risk management was way off. But what I did learn is that I was able to do that. So it's like if I could just drop the risk down a little bit, I'll be fine. Like I was doing 5 to 10% risk, but then as I grew the account, I don't know what the fuck got to my head, but I thought that I could start doing more. Do that shit. Don't do that. Even 5 to 10 is a lot. It's a lot, but it's within the means of understanding. Like, hey, if I lose 10 trades in a row, I'm gonna blow my account. I have enough data to understand that I'm probably not gonna go on a 10 losing streak, and if I do, before I go on a 10 losing streak, I'm gonna grow my capital at least somewhat. And then, yeah, you should really only be doing like 1%, 1 to 3%. That's on you. That's on you and understanding your risk. I mean your strategy. Oh, I got stopped at break even. It doesn't even make sense. Hold on. Yeah, I am trading live right now. But right now I'm trying to figure out why I don't see what I was the markups that I had. What the fuck did I do to my markup? Oh, there we go. Somehow they're all just they vanish. Oh yeah, so now we're coming back up. Yeah, I got stopped out break even. Wait, this is the wrong one. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Give me 1 second, cause I lost count of what I was doing. I was pacing my room. I wasn't even looking anymore. I'm done for the day. I'm up 9K now instead of 8. I was at 13 before New York. K. No, 9K. I never said 19. Uh-huh. I did that last week. I'm talking about in a day. I'm talking about last night Asia session and then leading up until New York now. I was up 13 before New York, and now I'm up 9. Fuck New York. Now playing. Yes. So this right here, we were looking for that sweep, came down and closed here. Oh, the future markets is a lot better for me. Oh, that was so okay. No. I changed my. I didn't look at it properly. I was all confused because all my drawings were just like taken away. On future markets, we didn't even make it to halfway of this range that I was looking at. Still haven't made it to halfway of the range yet. That's trippy. What the heck just happened? See, looking at the right broker chart can make a difference. What the heck just happened? That's what I'm saying. I don't even know anymore. This one's always clean. Future markets has always been nice to me up until what just happened this morning. The wick not even showing up. So right there, I would have been tagged in. Zero drawdown. Literally zero drawdown. No one else can do this. Look at this. Well, okay, there was a tiny bit. Look at that. Barely any drawdown. And then And then I messed up because technically it didn't go to halfway. So, oh well. No, like they're usually typically like this cup, but look at this one. This one's like barely anything. Look at that. Tiny ass wick, like completely tiny. I almost didn't even see it until I zoomed in. Like a lot of the times our entries will be pretty sniper entry, but that right there was. Yeah, this didn't even hit 50% yet. But on Owanda it did. What is going on, bro? I'm being mind fucked right now. No. Wait, where did my drawings go for this one? What's going on? Oh, there they are. Wait, what? I thought we hit. It didn't even hit 50 on here either. What am I tweaking on? No, we didn't hit 50 yet at all, like ever. Wait, this is Fusion Market still. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, where did my. Hold on. Wherever I was before, I'm gonna watch the replay back. Yeah, that's actually what I'm gonna do. Because I'm recording. I've been recording this. I know I'm not bugging. I swear it reached the 50% already. But it didn't. No, I'm not tweaking. I'm looking at it right now. This could still be a cell that we could be in. But I already got out. Oh, I'm ending the day there. This is just movie time at this point. Let me get off of this chart because it's too zoomed in and everything's just too colorful. No, I never did. Let me go watch the replay right now. Actually.